So
whatever the people they are present in the meeting should be treated for the purpose.
So
Sure, sir.
three
Hello?
teachers wanted to join. Lakhinder sir, one from
No,
Realme
not now, not now,
C21.
not now. I'm saying not now.
Right, sir.
The single word is there, not now.
Right, sir.
So with these words, I would like to request Bhushan sir, just start the session over there, because very soon the COE head Patna, Sarun sir, he will also join with some hidden ID. So if any person requests you to join with the hidden ID, immediately allow him.
Sure, sir. Again, warm welcome to all the educators. As myself is Braj Bhushan, and today I am going to conduct the first in-house session on the topic of leading from front. As the topic says, leading from the front, I would like to start this meeting with a sort of story which is related to the Chanakya. What does it mean, the leading from the front? Just I'm sharing that story. After Chanakya was humiliated by the Nandas and the Chandragupta was being thrown out from their army, Chanakya was walking in a forest when the Kusa grass hurt him by tripping him over. कुस एक ये होता है क्या कहते हैं हम, घास, काइंड ऑफ द ग्रास, वो उनके पैर में चुभ गया था. Since this particular type of grass is extremely difficult to uproot, people let it grow without destroying it, but Chanakya poured sugar syrup on the grass. When Chandragupta asked him why, Chanakya replied that he was making the root of the grass sweet. I'm apologized for that inconvenience. I'm just keep my phone in a flight mode. Extremely apologize, sir. So I'm talking about the story about the Chanakya and Chandragupta. Chanakya used to sugar syrup into the root. For that, the reason behind that, ants attack on the grass root and they will destroy it completely. When asked why a simple grass was that everyone owned a duty to society by removing necessary thing, he would remove even a king if the king adopted adharma. He said to the Chandragupta, if you want to change in a society, you have to fight from the front. And don't use phrases and idioms to motivate someone. Try to implement in your own. First, you will do, action speaks louder than words. Actually, that is the meaning of leading from front. So today, let us start this session with this topic. In this workshop today, first we will understand the meaning of definition of leadership. What are the interpersonal effectiveness of the leadership, attributes, skills, and what we will do being a leader, the meaning of holistic communication, interpersonal communication. What is the meaning of a personal interactive skill, self-evaluation, motivating, team building, and characteristic of the charismatic leaders? There are two kinds of the leader, as in my opinion. One who inspired by the people by their words. Another one who inspired by the people by their acts. And this is not enough, but I would like to say a single line. We have a principle like that, who acts to increase their students, their colleagues, their educators. And today's workshop, that is the last topic which we will going to understand, which is problem solving and decision making. What does the meaning of trust? What kind of the dimension of trust? And what is ethical leadership? First of all, I would like to quote with the Swami Vivekananda, leadership is ability to influence other with or without authority. Means if we do not have authority, it doesn't mean we cannot influence someone, we cannot motivate someone. We can do. For that, we need a good kind of the character with good kind of the qualities and effective communication. All successful invaders are the result of human effort. Thus, the ability to influence other is derivation of interpersonal communication, conflict management, and a problem solving. लड़ाई लड़ने के लिए बड़ी से बड़ी फौज हो, बड़ी से बड़ी आर्मी हो, बट देयर मस्ट बी अ कमांडर ऑफ दैट आर्मी. वो कमांडर ही होता है जो सबसे आगे खड़े होकर पहली पंक्ति में जीत और हार को सुनिश्चित करता है. लड़ती बेशक फौज है, but the instruction given by the commander, and that person who is a commander has a great skill to command their unit, has a great skill to win that battle. और ये जो स्किल है, ये जो टेम्परामेंट है, ये टेम्परामेंट being educator, all of us must either we develop, either we have. If we have, then good, we have to polishing it. If we don't have, we should develop that temperament. Now you can see the Steve Jobs. All of us knows about him. Basically, inspiring people cannot come from the heavens or in any other planet. They live with us in our society. We are surrounded by them. So Steve, I'm quite impressed by that person. If you heard about him or learn about him, he was a kind of drug addict. And just I'm saying this line by from their own biography. Has a great brain and has a great leadership capability. Founded iPhone, an inventor of the Apple. By the word of Steve Jobs, the ability to influence a group towards the achievement of goal. That is the leadership. He defined also the meaning of management. Use of authority inherent in a designated formal rank to obtain compliance from organizational members. So leadership is not just to motivate someone. सिर्फ मोटिवेट कर डालना ही लीडरशिप नहीं होता. एक सर्टेन गोल, एक टारगेटेड गोल को अचीव करने के लिए एक पूरी यूनिट को एक साथ आगे लेके चलना ही लीडरशिप होता है. और बेस्ट लीडरशिप, जैसा मैंने अभी कहा, अ कमांडर हु लीड फ्रॉम द फ्रंट. Now, before starting the interpersonal effectiveness, I would like to give few examples from our own past, like Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, alias known as a Mahatma Gandhi. No doubt, he fought for our independence, but he has a one great quality. In every movement, he led from the front, whether it was Dandi March, whether it was a Satyagraha, even last when he was in old age in 1942, when he calls do or die, he was the first person who was arrested by the British government. And that is the reason people inspired by his words, because only he never used to tell, do, he did. That is the great quality of leadership. Now, the major part of the leadership, interpersonal effectiveness. And all of us are quite aware about the meaning of interpersonal effectiveness, as we all are the educators, we all have the good experiences, and almost all of them are the senior to me in this training session. But I would like to just explain these things as per resource person. So interpersonal effectiveness is the capability of individual to do this influence others. Leadership is a direct function of three elements of interpersonal effectiveness. And this three element, awareness, ability, and commitment. And it makes a triangle. It makes a triangle. All the lines are connected to each other. Like this. Interpersonal effectiveness. When awareness, the meaning of awareness, like in the term of pandemic, अभी 2 दिन पहले मैं एक सहोदया का ट्रेनिंग कर रहा था, उनमें जो रिसोर्स पर्सन सर थे, उन्होंने बड़ी अच्छी बात कही थी और मेरे दिमाग में मैं भी वही कहना चाहूंगा अभी कि अचानक से पैंडेमिक आया और रातों रात हमने अपना मोड बदल लिया। अवेयरनेस थी, हमें एबिलिटी भी थी जिसे हमने पूरा किया और कमिटमेंट की तरह खड़े उतरे, खास करके टीचिंग फील्ड में। वो टीचर्स जो कंप्यूटर साइंस से बहुत दूर थे, कंप्यूटर से दूर थे, जिनके पास फोन तो था लेकिन वो फोन मैक्सिमम फेसबुक यूज करने के लिए था या व्हाट्सएप। रातों रात तो नहीं कहूंगा, बट विद अ हार्ड लेवल दे वर कैपेबल टू टेक ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। अगर ये पैंडेमिक नहीं होता और फिर उनसे कोई कहता तो शायद वो नहीं कर पाते। ये मैं नहीं कह रहा, मैंने 2 दिन पहले सहोदया वाली ट्रेनिंग में सुना था, बड़ा अच्छा लगा था मुझे ये चीज, और ये बिल्कुल सही फैक्ट एग्जांपल भी था कि एडुकेटर्स वी आर क्वाइट अवेयर हैं भी हम लोग, ये नहीं कि हम लोग नहीं है, और जो नहीं थे दे आर स्टिल सर्वाइविंग फ्रॉम द हेल्प ऑफ अदर्स, और जो अवेयर थे लाइक आवर AK मिश्रा सर, क्वाइट कैपेबल टू कंडक्ट देयर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑन देयर ओन कैलिबर। जब ये अवेयरनेस एबिलिटी मिल जाती है तो कमिटमेंट अपने आप होता है और ये तैयार होता है, एक इफेक्टिव लीडरशिप की पहले स्किल को तैयार करता है। अच्छा, मैं तब से बोले चले जा रहा हूं सर, आप सभी सुन रहे हैं। आई एम क्वाइट ऑडिएबल संजू सर?
यस सर।
जो कह रहे हैं सर
ऑडिबल सर, ऑडिबल।
और सर जो पॉइंट्स अभी तक मैंने कहा बताया है, क्लियर है सर? I would like to ask Namta ma'am. Namta ma'am?
Yes, sir.
I'm quite audible, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm continuing with the term meaning of awareness. What is the meaning of awareness? Awareness is a state of consciousness. It is the ability to recognize ourselves, others, event and situation in a real time. और एग्जाम्पल थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने दिया, एग्जाम्पल एक्चुअली सुना था मैंने सहोदया में, वो मैंने आपको दिया कि ये हम लोगों ने रियल टाइम के साथ एक अपने अवेयरनेस को दिखाया, गूगल मीट को भी सीखा, जूम को भी सीखा, कुछ टीचर्स ने इसके अलावा माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम को भी सीखा, अलग अलग स्कूल्स में। जहां जो प्लेटफॉर्म की जरूरत थी, जिस प्रकार से जिस भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपने प्लेटफॉर्म अपने टीचर्स को ढालना चाहा, टीचर्स ढले ड्यू टू द अवेयरनेस। दैट इज द एबिलिटी एंड वी शुड रिकॉग्नाइज आवर अवेयरनेस, वी शुड रिकॉग्नाइज आवर क्वालिटी। Awareness is the ability to access the impact of action on a situation and others and be critical, self-reflective. It is a development process that is function of experience. It is a development process that is function of communication and self-discovery and feedback. Now, a term ability I am using frequently, ability. What does it mean? Ability to learn and understand technical issue. That is the ability in nowadays. We are quite capable to learn literature also, or kind of all subjects which are related like a literature. But nowadays we must able and we should prepare to understand and learn new technical issues. The basis of our career, ability to lead is a function of influence, and ability to communicate, ability to resolve conflicts, ability to solve problems and make decisions. As I am a faculty of computer science and also used to teach artificial intelligence, I would like to give one example from that artificial intelligence. What is the meaning of make decisions? Actually, we all us make decision in our day-to-day life. The meaning of decision making है ये नहीं है डिसीजन मेकिंग का मतलब कि मुझे आईएएस बनना है तो डिसीजन मेकिंग कहलाएगा, और मुझे आज चाय पीने का भी मन नहीं है, सोच रहा हूँ आज नींबू का चाय पी लूं, तो ये डिसीजन मेकिंग नहीं है। बिल्कुल है। हम कंफ्यूज रहते हैं कि चाय पीनी है, और कई बार जो मिल जाता है माँ या फिर फैमिली मेंबर में कोई दे देता है, पी लेते हैं। बट वी शुड एबिलिटी टू टेक डिसीजन, टू अंडरस्टैंड द problem and then take the decision. So in term of AI, our all AI enabled devices like our Android phone taking a decision in each and every moment. हम लोग जब अपने फोन का कैमरा फेस करते हैं फ्रंट कैमरे को, तो हमारे फेस को वो रिकॉग्नाइज करता है। कभी फेस को हिलाकर देखिएगा, वो जो स्क्वायर बॉक्स होता है वो भी हिलने लगता है। ये डिसीजन मेकिंग कर रहा होता है मेरा सेंसर उस वक्त, जिसे डिटेक्ट कर लिया गया है। अगर वो मूवमेंट में है तो तुम भी मूवमेंट में निकलो। ये कुछ दिन पहले तक आईटी फील्ड में नहीं था, क्योंकि सिस्टम के पास, कंप्यूटर के पास डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर्स नहीं हुआ करते थे। वो एबिलिटी एक्चुअली कंप्यूटर में भी नहीं थी। जो इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दिया वो उसको फॉलो किया, प्रोग्राम को एग्जीक्यूट करा दिया। तो अब तो डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर जो है, खुद डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर। सुमन मैम, काइंडली keep off your mic, ma'am. Actually, I am facing some issues. If you don't mind, ma'am.
हेलो
मैम, माइक बंद कर लेना, बैकग्राउंड साउंड्स आ रहे हैं उससे मैम, क्योंकि मैं खुद से एक काफी सेफ एंड साउंड प्लेस पे बैठा हूँ जहां से कोई बैकग्राउंड नॉइज ना उठे। तो देखा भी आपका माइक ऑन है मैम। थैंक यू मैम। तो being a good leader, being a leader of from the front, we must have the ability to learn, ability to communicate, and ability to make decision. And what the meaning of commitment? All of us knows the meaning of commitment. किसी से किया हुआ कोई प्रॉमिस, लेकिन हम लोग खुद से कभी प्रॉमिस नहीं करते। Commitment should be with us. For leaders, at least. For leaders, the one thing that leads to maturity is the fully aware recognition that one's decision make a difference, both positive and negatively, in the lives of others, and that any attempt to solve a problem might have a decided negative impact on some while helping others. AK Mizra, sir. AK Mizra, sir.
हेलो, हाँ वरुण जी सुन रहे हैं हम, बोलिए।
सर कुछ भी नहीं सर, I know very well you can explain this line much better than me. Will you explain this line?
No, recently, the fact is that whatever you are explaining, it is not that I am actually I am listening you very comfortably, and whatever instruction you will give, I will listen and I will try.
Sir, I am not giving any instructions, sir. I'm not giving any instruction to anyone, sir. Just I'm saying
no,
that
whatever you
the
will
word of the meaning of commitment. Same screen will be on your phone also, sir. You can
Yes,
see the
yes.
slide.
Yeah,
Is it visual, sir?
absolutely.
If you don't mind and if you don't have any problem, will you explain this line, sir?
I have to explain.
If you want, sir, and if you don't have any issue, sir. That's my request, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. चश्मा लगाओ बोलो। Actually, for leaders, the one thing that leads to the maturity is the full aware recognition that one's decision make a difference both positively and negatively in the lives of the others, and that any attempt to solve a problem might have a decided negative impact on some while helping others. In a no-win scenario, one must still make a hard decision. Commitment, yes. Actually, I have read the points which are on the screen. Bhushan ji, hello.
Yes, sir. I'm listening, sir.
Yes, I have read the points whatever is on the screen. What next I have to do? What next I have to do? Hello.
Just explain it, sir. If I said you can explain much better than me, sir. That's why I'm asking. Nothing else.
For leaders, the one thing that leads to maturity is the full aware recognition that one's decision make a difference both positively and negatively in the lives of the others, and that may attempt to solve a problem might have a decided negative impact on some while helping others. And in no-win scenario, one must still make a hard decision. Actually, in this line or whatever is written on the screen, through this here, probably it has been tried to explain the quality of a leader, how should be a leader should be, what types of qualities should be in a leader, what should be quality in the leader. A leader must be had the positive attitudes, and his or her positive attitudes make him able to explain his internal assessment before the readers. So if there is positive attitudes in the leaders or whatever he or she wants to explain, that will give the positive impact on the reader, and definitely the reader will be benefited by just following the leaders. Probably this may be the meaning of the this may be the meaning whatever
Not
is
maybe
on
the
the
sir.
screen.
Exactly, this is the meaning. And actually, I extract this line from the book of Sukhela. When
Yes.
when I read this line, example hurt in my mind. A person hurt just struck in my mind.
Yes.
Again, I will say something.
Yes.
Sometimes the decision of our honorable chairman sir and principal sir
Yes. Yes.
express this commitment.
Yeah. Really.
They had taken several times a hard decision. They
Really?
had taken a several time hard decision. But what does it mean when I read the line of the Sukhela? When I am preparing
Yes.
this PPT, just I did some R&D and little bit hard work on this PPT.
Yes.
I could understand why sometimes they had taken this kind of the hard decision in a scenario when they never
Really?
wanted to support someone or demolish someone. The commitment should be with us. No partiality, It should be
No,
a
actually,
part of good leader.
really. Whatever you have explained and about the principal and the principal sir and the chairman sir, really they are the authority of our school, and they always they always try their best to make us give the right decisions so that we teachers, we educators could improve a lot. This is the thinking and the real motto of our honorable principal sir and the chairman, and we teachers always follow him. And really, there is a positive effect of their decision or their guidelines, and we are becoming benefited by following them, no doubt at all.
Just to explain the commitment, actually, I had taken more than 2 hours to make the single slide.
Yes.
Next, just coming to the next point.
The next point. Yeah.
I'm moving, sir. I'm moving on.
Yes.
Attributes of leaders.
Attribute of a leader. Yes. Let me
First
read.
one,
Let me read this slide. Let me read once again this slide.
choose sir.
Guiding vision. Effective leaders know what they want to do and have a strength of character to pursue their objectives in face of opposition and in spite of failures. The effective leader establishes achievable goals. Integrity because they know who they are. Effective leaders are also aware of their weakness. They only make promise they can follow through on. Honesty, leaders convey an area of honesty, aura of honesty in both their professional and their personal lives. Trust, effective leaders earn the trust of their followers and act on behalf of their followers. Really, guiding vision. Actually, this is the motto of the effective leaders. They always guide their educators or their independents. Suppose the higher authority of our school are the effective leaders, and they always try to explain, they always try to do something better so that we teachers, we educators, we dependent could follow them. And this is their motto, that we are just growing, we are just increasing our knowledge in all area of the internal assessment and how to teach the students and what should be the method of the teacher, how the teacher should apply their simple method among the students so that they could be also benefited. So guiding vision, this is the vision of our educators and the seniors of our school, and this is the meaning. And next one is integrity, because they know who they are. Effective leaders are also aware of their weakness. Really, the leaders who are effective, what is the weakness in them, whether they are proper or not, if there is something, some shortcoming in them, they always know about their shortcoming, and they always try to explain in such a way so that their shortcoming could not come before the readers and their followers. So there should be integrity in the effective leaders. And the next one is honesty. Leaders convey an aura of honesty in both their professional and their personal life. Really, honesty, it has been explained that honesty is the best policy, although the leaders should be honest in all respect of their lives, their teachings, their other scenario as well. Like, leaders convey an aura of honesty. A leader should be honest, and they should be always treat with honesty. They should be always they should be honest at the time of dealing their educators, at the time of dealing their dependents. Suppose we are the dependent and the senior authority of our school, they must be honest in the sense that we could also learn honesty by following them, and we should not become any, there should not be become any negative effect in them. So they must be honest, and we teachers should be also honest so that with honesty, if you will start to teach the students must be benefited and they will do better in their life, achieving their education. And the next one is the trust. Effective leaders earn the trust of their followers and act
The meaning of followers
behalf
are
of
the
their
students.
followers.
The meaning of
Hello?
followers, the meaning of followers are students, their colleagues, or the surrounded.
Yes, really. So last one is trust. Effective leaders earn the trust of their followers. Really. Suppose we are the leaders, and if we are effective, students are the followers. So we should always try to learn their faith, and we should always try to learn their trust, and they should always try to trust on us, so that with full sincerity, with full honesty, we could teach them. And if they will be trusty, they are our followers. If there will be trust in them. Whatever we shall explain before them, definitely there will be a positive effect on their mind, and they will do better in their life. They will hit their targets. And suppose the students who are going to appear in the examination, they are our followers. And if we will be effective before them, we shall earn our effect. We shall trust. There will be trust to our students. Definitely, they will do better, and we will be able to just win their favor, and they will be also able to take all the knowledge which we will be able to impart on them. This is the meaning.
Thank you, Mr. Sir, for your wonderful explanation. Thank you so much, sir. So just as Mr. Sir explained these points in a very deep, the meaning of guiding visions, integrity, the honesty, and the trust. We should develop the trust. We should develop the trust towards our students. We should develop the trust towards to our colleagues. Once we trust on them, they trust on us. And easily you can take an example in your school, in your class. If a teacher who is standing in the class, who has a great trust on the student, you will get the pin drop silence in a classroom. चाहे वो नहीं भी पढ़ा रहे हो, वो खड़े हो, सिर्फ क्लास में खामोशी होती है. अगर वो चाहे कि क्लास में खामोशी नहीं हो, तो फिर वो फ्लोर पे भी नहीं हो, फुटिंग हो जाती है. बट इट ट्रस्ट, we have to implement that trust on a positive manner, in a effective positive manner. But before to
one thing, hello.
Yes,
sorry,
sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
One thing I would like to add. The thing is that teachers must have a trust, and the students must have trust on the teacher, and teachers must have trust on their students. Suppose a teacher going to teach the students, if teacher does not have trust on their students, he will not try to teach his students properly. Such teachers will try to only pass the time, and the students will not be able to get any benefit from that particular teachers. And if there is a trust on that teacher, and with full trust, with full honesty, that teacher will start to teach what he or she knows. With full heart, with full honesty, he or she will impart his or her knowledge before the students, and definitely the students will do better in their future. And there will be positive effect of that teacher on those students in that class. So I mean to say that here I want to say that teachers must be perfect in his or her subject, so that whenever he or she gets a chance to teach the students, and if the teacher is perfect, there is no shortcoming at all in the teacher regarding their subject regarding that topic which he or she is explaining at that time. Definitely, it's certain that the students will start to follow the teachers. Students will never create such an activity that could disturb his or her teacher. So teachers must be punctual in his subject at the time of teaching the students, so that the students could never try to make fun of that particular teacher.
Sir, as the time has gone, I would like to proceed further. And the word we use, that teacher used, that is the part of honesty. Sir, on part of the honesty, teacher must teach by their complete ability. But as the time is limited, sir, I have to move. And thank you for your wonderful explanation, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Again, I will explain the ability of leadership. Why I am explaining this in the mid of the session, I will just tell you after 2 slides. Leadership is the ability to develop a vision that motivates others to move with a passion towards common goal. Now, बचपन से सुनते आए हैं कि एक चना अकेला भाड़ नहीं फोड़ता, मतलब घड़े को नहीं फोड़ पाता एक चना। घड़े को फोड़ना है तो चने का झुंड, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा दाना लो, चलाओ, फूट जाता है। उस सारे चने को चलाने वाला ही लीडर है, और चना हर एक आम व्यक्ति है, वो व्यक्ति है, क्योंकि लीडर अकेला कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा। फिर से कह रहा हूं, एक चला भाड़ नहीं फोड़ता। द मीनिंग ऑफ अ लीडरशिप इज द एबिलिटी टू डेवलप द विजन एंड मोटिवेट to move with the passion towards the common goal. That is the basic quality of a leadership. And what will be the common goal? For us, we are the educators. Our common goal just to improve the skill, education quality of our students. हम सभी चाहते हैं कि जब हम कल बाहर निकले तो सामने जो खड़ा मिले वो बड़े प्यार से नतमस्तक होके आपको सम्मान दे कि हमारे गुरु जा रहे हैं, और हम भी सीना तान के कह सके कि इन्हें कभी मैंने पढ़ाया। ये और साथ ये जो मैंने कहा, ये ख्वाहिश हर एक शिक्षक की होती है, सिर्फ मेरी ही नहीं, हम सभी की होती है। हम सभी का कॉमन गोल भी एक ही है, लेकिन आपस में, मैं खुद भी पर्सनली आई एम नॉट अ क्वाइट गुड मैन, मेरे अंदर भी थोड़ी जेलसी है, मैं भी तुनक जाता हूं, बढ़ जाता हूं, जो होना नहीं चाहिए, मैं भी फैक्ट बता रहा हूं। ऑल्सो आई ट्राई टू रिमूव दिस काइंड ऑफ द लैकिंग ऑफ इन माय कैरेक्टर, बट वी शुड मूव टुवर्ड्स द कॉमन गोल, एंड आवर लीडर, अ गुड लीडर कैन मोटिवेट एंड अ गुड लीडर कैन डू दिस। Just I am moving to the another, just I would like to differentiate between the leadership and the management. The meaning of management. Management is the ability to recognize resources and coordinate the execution of tasks necessary to reach a goal in a timely and cost-effective manner. Whereas I said about the leadership, leadership is the ability to develop a vision that motivates other towards a passion towards the common goal. A leader normally does not think about the resources, because leader knows one thing, that once we will commit to us to achieve any goal, we will create the resources, we will find a route how to get the goal. Whereas a good part of the management, and why I am talking about the management in the part of leadership, because without good management, a leadership is alone. ये दोनों एक दूसरे के पूरक है, इनमें से कोई भी एक एबिलिटी कम होती है, मैनेजमेंट की एबिलिटी कम होती है तो एक लीडर एक अच्छा लीडरशिप नहीं कर पाएगा। और कितनी भी अच्छी स्किल हो जाए लीडरशिप की, अगर मैनेजमेंट स्किल उनके पास नहीं है तो फिर भी वो एक अच्छे लीडर नहीं बन पाएंगे। इसलिए मैंने शुरुआत में चाणक्य से शुरू की थी, दुनिया के सबसे महान गुरु से। उन जैसा महान गुरु, महान शिक्षक शायद ही कभी किसी विश्व के किसी भी देश के किसी भी कोने में कभी आया हो, जिसने एक सामान्य से अर्दली के बच्चे को भी विश्व का सबसे महान सम्राट बनाया, अपनी शिक्षा से बनाया, अपनी संवेदनाओं से बनाया, मोटिवेट करके बनाया, रिसोर्सेस पैदा करके दिए उन्होंने। एक अकेले चंद्रगुप्त को एक छोटी सी आर्मी दी, और एक वक्त पूरे विश्व पे तो नहीं कहूंगा, लेकिन भारत और चाइना के बहुत बड़े भूभाग पर मौर्य वंश का परचम लहराया। ये खासियत है एक एडुकेटर की। एक एडुकेटर व्हेन बिकम्स अ लीडर, एडुकेटर बिकम्स अ लीडर, तो राजेंद्र प्रसाद भी बन जाते हैं। being I have only 10 minutes, so I would like to proceed little bit in a fast speed, but I would like to just now differentiating between the leadership and the management skill. And both kind of the skill should have a person to become a good leader, to lead from the front. A leadership, as I said, should have the soft skill, where management should have the hard skill to take the hard decision. And that's why
Bhushan sir, sorry to interrupt you. Bhushan sir, sorry to interrupt you.
Sure,
Just check your personal chat box, please. Just
please,
check your personal chat box.
Sure. So I'm continuing from that point. The soft skill of a leader, it should be a communication, motivation, know the stress management, team building capacity, and change management. Being a computer teacher, I used to teach stress management in class 9th and 10th also. There is a chapter of stress management in class 9th IT, even in class 10th also. The part of a stress management, the stress is not always a bad. Sometimes stress is a good also. आज ही शुरू होने के पहले नाउ आई एम लिटिल बिट कॉन्फिडेंट हूं, लेकिन इसी ट्रेनिंग को शुरू करने के 5 मिनट पहले नर्वस था मैं. पता नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि हाउ आई कैन डू, hopefully I will do good. A leader knows to control the good stress as well as the bad stress, and they are quite capable to control the other's stress also. Whereas a part of management, the management skill should live at any cost. Work is worship. If you have a pending work, you have to complete it at the time, at the given time, reschedule their timing of work, staffing, and activity analysis. Activity analysis is a hard skill, because after the analysis of the activity, that's your, it doesn't mean our all activity should be good or became good. Quite possible sometimes we did wrong thing also. So be ready to take the hard feedback also. And a leader, as I said, never do the partiality. So the fact of the analysis, a leader will say to you, inform you, and the complete project control. And now this soft and hard skill became the leadership skill, exactly leadership skill. Little bit I would like to talk about the holistic communication. What does it mean, the meaning of holistic communication? Just to know and understand the holistic communication, we should ask few questions to us, to identify problem and create winning solution to solve them. Do we have this kind of the temperament? Do we try to identify the problem and try to make the solution of any problem? Will we are willing to lead effectively? Will we are ready to lead effectively with the inspiration to motivate? Do we have a capacity to manage our personal resources effectively? Once we will get the answer, we can easily understand the meaning, not understand the, I explain the meaning of holistic communication. We will understand how much this skill we have. If I get the answer, when I'm asking to me, do I am able to share my personal resource to others? If I get the answer, yes, I have a good quality of the leadership. If I get an answer from my soul, no. How can I use my personal resource to the others? Quite possible. I need to improve my character to become a good leader. Holistic communication defined or identified with some postures, some gestures. As I said, I teach IT, and the part of the IT, I used to teach holistic communication, the gestures, the postures, body language, and the para language to the class 9th and 10th student. I'm just taking some content from that book also. The way we stand, you stand or sit. Basically, this is the approach, the confidence. When we shake hands to someone, we give the respect. When we talk to someone with eye contact, it shows the good level of engagement. When someone asking to me, or if I am asking to someone and a person just sing here and there, it shows their lack of confidence or disrespect to the person. Quite possible, whatever is the reason, that only person knows. क्या कारण था कि वो उनकी बातों पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहा। तो डिपेंड करता है एक लीडर के लिए कि आपका अप्रोच सही होना चाहिए। अप्रोच गेस्टर्स, कैसे गेस्टर्स ही कहते हैं, पोस्टर्स, मूवमेंट ऑफ हैंड्स, लाइक शेक हैंड, वेव अप द हैंड्स। नॉर्मली हम लोग जब भी व्हाट्सएप पे कुछ अच्छा भेजते हैं, मतलब चाहे कोई सर्टिफिकेट भेजते हैं अथवा अपने किसी काम को खत्म करने के बाद मैसेज डालते हैं ग्रुप में, तो हम लोगों के पास एक थम्स अप आता है। जाहिर सी बात, आपको पता है कौन भेजता है। इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ गुड लीडर हु cheer up their followers, who cheer up their colleagues, who cheer up their student, or a person who surrounded with him or her. That is the part of the posture. ये क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए।
Sorry, hello. Sorry, Brajbhushan sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I would like to say something. I would like to share my feelings before all the educators. Right now, we have explained what is the meaning of shaking hands.
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Once I was in Punjab. Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm
I
listening.
would like to once I was in Punjab. That time, actually, I was about to shake the hands with one of my friends, and actually, my attention was not on him. Actually, I was thinking something else. Until that, I started shaking the hands. At the same time, that my friend told me that this is not the real meaning of shaking the hands. Here, shaking the hands means just seeking your heart, or just meeting your heart to each other, the person before whom you are going to shake the hands. Shaking the hands means just meeting your heart to the other person. And if you are shaking the hands and you are not attentive at the time of shaking the hands, it means you are not the real friend of that particular person to whom you are going to shake the hands. So this is the real meaning of the shaking the hands. At the time of shaking the hands, one should be must conscious that I am just going to mix our heart to the other person, and he is my best friend. So there must be eye contact, there must be body contact and the gesture just before the person to whom you are going to shake the hands. This is the real meaning of the shaking the hands. Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm listening, sir. And
Yes,
you explained
yes.
well.
That's all. Sorry for this interruption.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. As I said, time is limited. I am a little bit in a hurry now. I will just proceed further.
Okay, all right.
Now I'm coming to the meaning of dimension of trust and the trust. And what is the ethical leadership? Before that, I would like to share one more slide with you, which already I have prepared for this presentation also. But due to the lack of the timing, I'm just skipping 1-2 slides. The meaning of the caste leadership theory. Followers make attribute of heroic and extraordinary leadership ability when they observe certain behaviors. What are the behaviors? A person have a vision, are willing to take personal risks to achieve the vision, are sensitive to followers' needs. And one thing I say, almost this quality every person has. Every person has this quality. A little bit who polishing this quality, improve their quality, become a leader. In age of 30 or 32, became the chief of the organization. कई बार लगता है लोगों को कि कोई कुर्सी किसी को दे दी गई है. कभी कोई किसी को कुछ देता थोड़ी है सर. ली जाती है. ली जाती है अपनी क्षमता पर, अपनी योग्यता पर, अपनी काबिलियत पर. और ये चीजें नॉर्मली आंखों से तो दिखती नहीं है. देखना है तो फिर पूरा काम देखिए, पूरे महीने को नहीं, पूरे साल को एनालाइज कीजिए, तब पता चलता है कि दैट पर्सन हैव अ विजन, दैट पर्सन already had taken the risk on their personal resources to achieving the common goal. Person is a sensible, has a sensitive for their surrounded. Now, authentic leaders and ethical behavior. When I am just doing research on the leadership from leading from front, I heard and read about the word ethical behavior. Actually, I was not familiar with this word, very frankly. When I heard and read these things, बड़ा मजा आया. मैंने सोचा कि चलो इसको भी रख लेते हैं, अच्छा लगेगा. अच्छा लगेगा नहीं, अच्छी चीज है, थोड़ा हम भी अडॉप्ट करेंगे, बाकी लोग भी करेंगे. Authentic leader know who they are, what they believe in the value, and act on this value openly and candidly. Like our Mahatma Gandhi, authentic leader. He was authentic leader. He knows their values. और कभी भी वो अपने वैल्यूज से पीछे नहीं है, चाहे उन्हें अपना सत्याग्रह रोल बैक करना पड़ा चौड़ा चोरी के बाद. Be stood on their own values. सीधी सी बात है, जो कहा सो किया. Ethical leader are ethical mean to get followers to achieve their goal, and goals themselves are ethical. Like Subhash Chandra Bose, उनके गोल्स बड़ा इथिकल होते थे, उसके लिए वो कुछ भी कर जाते थे और कर भी गए. For your positive reasons, when the situation is a critical, a ethical leadership quality can help out the person to just struck out from the critical time period or critical situation. And all these things, for a good leadership, we must develop the trust. As I said, honesty, integrity, and vision. These are the major component. But trust is a one big component of our leadership. So first we understand what is the meaning of trust. Actually 3 minutes past of 1, and I hope so time is limited, but just I will complete it within the 5 minutes of this complete session. The meaning of, just you can see a lock in your screen. ये जो तस्वीर मैंने यूज करी है एक ताले की है, जरा इस तस्वीर को ध्यान से देखिएगा. ये आपको एक कंप्लीट ट्रस्ट को समझाने के लिए काफी है सर. कंसिस्टेंसी होनी चाहिए, ओपननेस होना चाहिए, और लॉयलिटी में तो खैर कमी होनी नहीं चाहिए. ये सब जब मिलते हैं तो इंटीग्रिटी बन जाती है, और ये इंटीग्रिटी का जो लॉक है वो ट्रस्ट होता है. पॉजिटिव एक्सपेक्टेशन दैट अंदर विल नॉट थ्रू वर्ड्स, एक्शन और डिसीजन. वो क्या करते हैं? अपॉर्चुनिटीज एक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. Trust is the history dependent process based on the relevant but limited sample of experience. ट्रस्ट वहां टूटता है जहां रिस्क होने लगता है, टूटना नहीं चाहिए. If I trust on someone, if someone trusts on me, I have any personal grievances with her, but it doesn't mean if someone has a trust on me that he will do this task on the time. ये हमारी भी नैतिक जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हम उसे करें, बेशक हमारा पर्सनल ग्रीवांसेस किसी भी लेवल का हो, फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए, काम होना चाहिए. That is the real meaning of trust. And just I am going to explain the dimension of trust also. Basically, 3 types of trust. Actually, ये जो था, ये मैंने फ्रेड मनोवैज्ञानिक थे, साइमन फ्रेड, FRED उनका नाम था, वहां से उठाया है. डिटरेंस बेस्ड ट्रस्ट, नॉलेज बेस्ड ट्रस्ट एंड आइडेंटिफिकेशन बेस्ड ट्रस्ट. भरोसा भी मिश्रा सर 3 अलग अलग प्रकार के होने लगे हैं. पहला ट्रस्ट जो आप डर से करते हैं, जैसा पूरी जर्मनी ने हिटलर पर किया था. दूसरा ट्रस्ट किसी के नॉलेज पे करते हैं, और तीसरा ट्रस्ट उसकी इंटेंशन की वजह से, उनके मन का वो भाव जो आपको भरोसा दिलाता है कि ये समाप्त भी हो जाएगा लेकिन हमें समाप्त नहीं. तो ट्रस्ट डेवलप तो करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन इसमें जो पहला ट्रस्ट है बड़ी खतरनाक होता है. And last slide. Now I'm concluding my complete session with this slide: finding and creating effective leaders. How we can select and what kind of a training to improve, to just polishing the skill of leadership. First, in a part of selection, review a specific requirement for the job. Use tests that identify personal trait associated with the leadership. Measure self-monitoring and access emotional intelligence. Conduct personal interview to determine candidates fit with the job. और ये एक अच्छे लीडरशिप के लिए, क्योंकि लीडरशिप आपके पास है तो यू नीड अ टीम, you have to develop a team, and now you have to give the training, kind of the training, recognize that all people are not equally trainable, to identify their quality and give them a task in which he or she has capable. Teach a skill that necessary for employee or an educator to become the effective teachers. Provide behavior training to increase the development of potential of nascent charismatic employees or a charismatic teachers. Now, I am closing with this session with the attendance form. I'm going to give the attendance link in a chat box with the permission of principal, sir. Sir, may I share the attendance link, sir?
Yeah, for a minute, wait over there.
Sure, sir.
The system quite wonderful and that the content is prepared, that is really worthy, that it has been out in future also. So I would request Bhushan sir, just content for the future prospect also, so that all other teachers get guidance from you. For content, whatever you have searched from the internet sources is really marvelous. Just once again, I will appreciate whatever content you have prepared over there.
Thank you so much,
I will add over there for other resource persons also. Just make some interactive sessions in between of the training also, putting the Mentimeter polls, some uses, Google Forms. Suppose that next training is of the